Hi Shinzang, I wanted to give you some quick feedback on this late essay. I know it's from a week ago, but it's still late. Both am I giving you feedback on you and on your submitting. In the future, I'm going to ask you to request a meeting with me Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, usually in between sessions, right? Or right after lunch or during lunch, we can meet, right? So my first comment to you, I'm going to read the comments as they show here. My first comment to you was, hold on one second. Yeah, all the way up. Was about formatting, right? When you write your essays and you share your drafts with me, they need to be, first of all, MLA. If this is not MLA, you still need to start with a header. And if you go to the course syllabus, I think page 4, 5, or 6, I can't remember, there is a model for you to follow that gives you your name on the left, then my name below it, and then essay 1, draft 2, and so on, right? The next point is to double space your essay. So the way you would do this is you would select everything, right? And then go up here to line spacing, right? Then go from 1.15 to 2 times, to double spacing. And you see how much better that looks, right? I'm not going to do that for you though. That's your job to do that for draft 3, but I'm showing you how, right? Throughout the essay, first of all, I like the essay because it shows really a personal connection, your personal connection to economics. From what I gathered, you covered childhood, middle school, right? And then early childhood, middle school, and then moving to America in the future. Clearly, you're using a chronological approach, which I like. This will probably help you when you're thinking, which transitions could I use, right? So when you're rethinking your topic sentences, which I gave you comments about that throughout the essay, right? I say, consider rewriting topic sentence and so on. When you think about which words you should use, you should think about transitions that show how your essay is going from first, next, later on, as I approached or as I entered, after I started middle school. Once I moved to America, I realized that, so using those transitions will make the reader understand your point, how you see each paragraph connecting to the next, and that'll make it much easier and smoother for the reader to get your points. Okay, let's move on. I highlighted a whole bunch of blue sections here which have to do with fragments, comma splices, or run-ons. So you don't want those, right? Remember, we don't start sentences with fanboys, right? So no fanboy starting. You need to merge those sentences. This has been the topic of our sessions when I teach you compound sentences and complex sentences. Please use the holiday to review these points because it'll come in handy for you when you're writing your drafts, right? Another big thing here, big type of mistake in your essays, in your essay here is WT, which stands for wrong tense. All the red ones are marked for some problem with the verb, right? So keep your verb tenses consistent, and that is cool. I think overall your essay looks good. I would follow the advice that I'm giving you here and just go with that, right? Just rewrite making these changes. Again, select everything, Control X to cut, then create a new Google Docs, save it as Xiangzhan13, and then share it with me, and you will get a grade, right? First, you're going to make all the changes that I'm telling you to make. Make sure that everything is double spaced, black, right? Because I have everything in blue, red for you to see the mistakes. Keep this draft like this with all my notes, but the new one is going to be clean. If this isn't clear, what I am telling you, you need to meet with me. If any of my If any of my abbreviations like WT, what does that mean? If you don't know what frag, V, or whatever else I wrote, if anything is not clear, I want you to contact me. That's why I write it like that, okay? Enjoy the rest of your weekend.